How to cook one-pot chicken fajita pasta. Before we get started, please smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more delicious food videos. So let's get started. Heat the oil in a large pot over high heat. Add chicken and cook until no pink is visible, about 5 to 6 minutes, then take the chicken out. Add the bell peppers and onion, cooking until the onion is translucent, about 6 minutes. Add the chicken back to the pot with salt, pepper, chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder, stirring until evenly coated, about 30 seconds. Add the milk and the penne, stirring constantly to prevent any pasta from sticking. Cook for about 20 minutes until pasta is cooked and the milk has reduced to a thick sauce that coats the pasta. Add the cheese and mix until melted. Nutrition calories: 1958 fat, 41 grams carbs, 305 grams fiber, 16 grams sugars, 50 grams protein, 90 grams. Serve and enjoy. Now you can easily make and enjoy your favorite foods to the next level with this simple recipe for one-pot chicken fajita pasta. And that's for today's video. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching.